Good morning, student. I am Mrs. Amita Rajan from New Catholic Mission School, Jhabua. I am your maths teacher. Now today we will start our new chapter, that is percentage. Percentage. So children, what do you mean by percentage? Percentage. So simply percent. Here the two word is there, per and cent. So per means every and cent means 100. Simply means 100 out of 100. Or in other words, percentage is the fraction whose denominator is 100. So children, let's take an example. If you are getting 90 marks out of 100, in English you got 90 marks out of 100. Here you see denominator is 100. So simply you say 90%. So this is the symbol of percentage. Percentage, this symbol represent the percentage. So take one more example. Children, if you are getting 60 marks out of 80, this is the percentage? No, this is not the percentage. Why this is not percentage? Because here denominator is not 100. So we have to convert this into the percentage. So for converting the percentage, we multiply the number with the 100%. Multiply the number with the 100. So simplify it. So divide this 2 4s and 2 5s, 2 2s 4, 2 3s 0, again 2 1s 2, 2 5s and 55s 75. So percentage is 75%. In this way, you can find the quantity of anything, for example, how liter. And take one more example. This is the tank, water tank. Its capacity is, whole part is 100. Capacity is 100. 100 liter. 100 liter. Overall part is 100. So 20%. 20% is filled with water, or 50% filled with water. Means how many total capacity is 100 and 20 is filled with water. So 20%, the tank is 20% filled with water. So in this chapter we will find the how to convert the fraction into a percentage, and percentage to a fraction, and convert decimal to a percentage, and percentage to a decimal. Now one more example we will take. In English you got 70 marks out of 100, and Hindi again you got 70 marks out of 100, and maths you got 80 marks out of 100, and science you got 60 marks out of 100, and SST Again you got 60 marks out of 100. So total marks is there, 5 subject is there, and out of you got maximum marks is 100. So 500, total marks is 500. First you plus all these 70, 70, 80, 60 and 60. So first you plus it 0, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 8 22, 22 plus 6 28, 28 plus 6 29, 30, 31, 32, 30, 34. So you got 340 marks out of 500. If I ask you how many percentage you got, so you will not say the 340. You have to first you have to change this into a percentage, because here denominator is 500. So first for converting the percentage you multiply with this the 100. So simplify it, 0, 0 cut, again this 0 cut with this, and 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10. Again you multiply 34 by 2. So 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. So you are getting 68% marks. I hope that you understand the concept about the percentage. What is percentage? Percentage means out of 100. You have to say the quantity or marks out of 100. Now we will take one more example, how to convert the fraction into a percentage. Fraction to percent. See the question, percentage, fraction to percentage. You convert this into a percentage. So one more example, 1 upon 5. This is the fraction, whose denominator is 5. So you have to convert it into a percentage. In this, in your book, 2 method is given here. So first we make this denominator 100. इसका हमको denominator 100 बनाना है. So how we make the 100? That we already did in the fraction chapter. So you divide this 5, 100 divided by 5. So you are getting 20. Both number you multiply with 20. 5 multiply by 20, we are getting 100, and 1 multiply by 20, we are getting 20%. So here denominator is 100. So 1 upon 5 is equal to 20%. You put the symbol of percentage, because in question you have to change into percentage. Now one more method, 1 upon 5 you directly multiply with 100%. Understand? Now directly convert it, 5 2s are 10 and 0. So 20%. Both method is, you can apply any one method. If you apply this method, this is better for you. Now one more example, 6 upon 8. 6 upon 8. Here you can make this 100. So 100 is not exactly divisible by 8. It comes in the form of decimal. So when we divide 100 by 8, 12.5, or you can do here. So 12.5. Again you multiply same with the numerator 12.5. When you multiply 12.5 by 8, you are getting 100. When we multiply 6 by 12.5, you are getting 75, 5.0. So this is 75%. Now you apply second method, 6 upon 8 multiply by 100. So divide it with 2, 2 4s are, 2 5s are, 0, again 2 2s are, 2 2s are 4, again 1 here, 2 5s are, and 2 3s are, and 25 3s are is equal to 75%. You will apply this method, multiply with 100%. Put the symbol of percent. Now convert the percentage to a fraction. Convert the percentage to fraction. Already given here 4%. Here percentage means out of 100. 4 you can write as it is, and percentage 100. 4 out of 100. Now you percentage already given here, so you know no need to multiply with 100. So simplify it, reduce in the simplest form. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 0, again 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4, and 2 5s are 10. So 1 upon 25 is your answer. Convert percentage to a fraction. Now convert decimal to a fraction. Convert decimal to a fraction. Decimal. Point 6. First you convert into a fraction, that you already did in the decimal chapter. So you remove this decimal, and 6, remove this decimal, in the place of decimal you write 1, and how many digits are there? So 10. 6 upon 10. Now divide it with 10. 6 divided by 10. First you put the decimal and write here 0. Now 10 6 are 60. To a percentage. ये डेसिमल दिया, इसको परसेंटेज में चेंज करना है. Sorry. Convert the following decimal to a percentage. To percentage. Percentage में change करना है. It means you have to multiply with 100. 0.6. So first you convert into a fraction 10 and multiply with 100 percentage. How many here? 6 into 10 is equal to 60%. Understand, children? Now take one more example. Decimal to a percentage. So remove this. After decimal, how many digits are there? 2. So you have to write 100 and 100 convert it into a percentage. So 100 is 100 cut 27%. 27%. Now convert the percentage to a decimal. Percentage to a decimal. Percentage already given here. Understand? Now you have to convert into a decimal. So you have to when you convert into a decimal, you have to divide it upon 100. Divide it. So 4 is not divisible by 100. So first you put the decimal and 0 here. 40 is also not divided by 100. So first you put this 0, again here 0. Now 100 4s are 400. So 0.04 is your answer. Now one more example. 112% upon 100. Here no need to multiply with 100 because convert percentage already given here. When the percentage is not given here, then you have to multiply with 100%. So divide it. 100 ones are 100. Now again we will put the decimal here is 0. 100 ones are 100. Again put here 0. Now 2s are. So 1.12 is your answer. So 20% in the decimal form 1.12 is the decimal form of 112%. Now again find the value. Find the value of 12% of 35. Here you can see the 12% of 35. ये जो 12% है वो किसका है? 35. So you have to find the value of 12% of 35. So percentage is given here. So percentage means out of 100. Of multiply with 35. Here you have to not multiply with 100 because this one is already given here. You have to find the value of 12% of 35. Now divide it. 2 6 are 12. 2 5s are 0, again divided by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are, how we multiply their fraction, 3 and 25. Again this is divided by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35. Now what is remaining here? 3 into 7 upon 5. So 3 7s are 21 upon 5. When you divide this 21 by 5, you are getting 4s are 20, 1.0, 5 2s are 10. So 4.2 is the value of 12% of 35, 4.2. Now one story problem we are getting. Now we are solve one story problem. Page number 159, exercise 8.3. In a zoo there are 160 animals, out of which 40% are reptiles. How many reptiles are there in the zoo? So total number of solution, total number of animal is equal to 160 and percentage of reptiles 40%. टोटल नंबर ऑफ एनिमल्स कितना है? 160, आउट ऑफ विच उसमें से 40% क्या है? रेप्टाइल. रेप्टाइल्स में जो जमीन में चलते जो रेंगते हैं वो एनिमल्स. Now how many reptiles are there in the zoo? Percentage is given here, so you have to find the number of reptiles. Fine. So 40% is given here. 40% means 40 upon 100. Multiply by 160. 100 में से 40 how many are in of 160? So divide it 0 0, here 0 cut, here 0 cut. Now 16 4s are 64 are reptiles. So children, this your chapter is completed. Thank you.